Welcome to today's stock market news update. First up, a big development in US policy that could affect the tech industry. CNBC reports that major technology companies and foreign governments are quickly reacting after President Donald Trump announced plans late Friday to add a $100,000 fee on H-1B visas. This could change the program that supports America's technology workers. The fee applies to new H-1B applicants, not renewals or current holders, according to a White House official. It starts with the next lottery cycle and does not affect winners from the 2025 lottery. The White House also explained that this new fee is not a yearly charge, as some media outlets had reported earlier. This change could hit hard for companies, especially in technology and finance, that depend a lot on skilled workers from abroad, mainly from India and China. Amazon has the most H-1B holders, over 14,000 as of the end of June. Microsoft, Meta, Apple and Google each have more than 4,000, putting them in the top 10 for the fiscal year 2025. Shifting to upcoming US economic indicators that investors are watching closely, here are some key events this week that could influence market movements. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell is set to speak on Tuesday. Then on Thursday, the US August durable goods orders data comes out, along with the US second quarter 2025 GDP data and the US August existing home sales data. Wrapping up the week, the US August personal consumption expenditures inflation data is due on Friday. These releases often provide insights into the health of the economy and could sway investor decisions. Now turning our attention overseas to China, where economic policy remains steady. CNBC says China held its main lending rates steady for the fourth straight month on Monday. The People's Bank of China, which is China's central bank, kept the one-year loan prime rate at 3.0% and the five-year rate at 3.5%, as stated on Monday. The one-year rate affects most new and existing loans, while the five-year rate sets the basis for mortgage prices. This choice matched what economists expected, as Chinese officials seem to be waiting on big support steps, even with recent economic numbers showing some weakness, especially after a stock market rise. Staying with China-related investment news, Reuters reports that Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has completely sold out of Chinese automaker BYD, according to a filing. This ends a 17-year investment that grew more than 20 times in value during that time. The filing from Berkshire's energy unit showed the BYD investment value at zero by the end of March, down from $415 million at the end of 2024. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to subscribe.